Yes, ready. This is a dictation at the rate of 100 words per minute. Yes, start. Mr. Vice Chairman, sir, this approach document to the 7th 5-year plan needs to be examined against the background of the need for accelerated development of the country. Sir, 30 years of planning has brought some development in the country, no doubt not to the extent it ought to have. Therefore, the 7th plan assumes much more significance. If one goes through the document as a whole, it is a beautiful exercise in dealing with the generalities, in trying to present innuendos, but when we come to actualities, it is sometimes leaving much to be desired. Sir, planning has to be assessed in terms of either quantity or quality. If we take quantity into consideration, perhaps there has been an attempt on the part of the planning process during the last 30 years to achieve certain targets and to bring about improvement in terms of quantities. But if we look at the quality of these increased targets, which these increased targets have been able to provide, we find that there is much to be desired. Sir, I would like to illustrate my point by giving a few examples. We should take up the increase in the number of telephones since 1947. Para, sir, it is true there had been a large increase in the number of telephones in this country, though telephones cater only to the needs of the upper stratum or upper middle stratum. But nonetheless, there has been an increase in the number of telephones. When we look at the increase in the number of telephone, what is most strange about them is the inadequate functioning of these telephones. Most of the time they do not function. If they function wrongly and they go out of order at every conceivable turn of events. Therefore, sir, if this could be taken as one of the examples, there is a need for looking at the planning process not merely from the point of view of stepping up the quantity but also from the point of view of quality. Para, now sir, I will come to the Medicare. It is true that there has been an increase in the number of hospitals in the country, though not to the desired extent. Sir, if we go to the statistics, then we see that there is one hospital available for every lakh of population. Para, sir, even assuming that there has been a considerable increase in the number of hospitals, what is the position of the hospitals today? In most of the places, especially the hospitals which are located in the rural areas, doctors are not available. If per chance doctors are available, medicines are not available. If medicines are also available, other facilities are not available, with the result that Medicare has become only a sort of showpiece rather than actually serving the needs of the people for whom it is meant. Likewise, sir, if we look at the schools and colleges, there has been tremendous number of schools. Stop and over.